Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Klipsch Flexus Core 100 Soundbar, a sleek and powerful addition to your home entertainment setup. I've been testing this out for a while now, and let me tell you, it's got some surprises under its hood. Stick around as we break down everything from design to performance. First off, let's talk about the design. The Flexus Core 100 stands out with its minimalist yet sophisticated look. It features a wooden MDF enclosure wrapped in a wood grain finish, complemented by a woolen grille and elegant metal accents. The build quality is top-notch, giving it a premium feel that matches its price tag. Moving on to dimensions, it measures 28 inches wide, 5 inches deep, and 3 inches tall. This size is ideal for most TVs, though do note that its height could potentially block your TV's IR receiver, which might require adjusting how you use your remote. Setting up the Flexus Core 100 is straightforward. It offers multiple connectivity options including HDMI EARC, Bluetooth, USB-C, digital optical, and an RCA subwoofer out. This versatility ensures compatibility with various devices, from your TV to mobile devices for wireless streaming. The package includes a user-friendly remote that mirrors the controls on the companion app. Speaking of which, the Klipsch Setup app provides additional settings and EQ adjustments, although it's optional for initial setup. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the sound quality. The Flexus Core 100 packs a punch with its 2.1-channel setup featuring dual 2.3-inch aluminum drivers and two 4-inch subwoofers for impressive bass and clarity. During my tests, it handled everything from explosive movie scenes to intricate musical tracks with finesse. In terms of sound modes, it offers presets like night, voice, movies, and music, allowing you to tailor the audio experience to your content. While it decodes Dolby Atmos for enhanced audio, it doesn't reproduce the full Atmos effect, focusing more on delivering robust stereo sound that fills your room effectively. I compared the Flexus Core 100 with similar models like the Sonos Ray and Sonos Beam, and it holds its own quite well. For its price range, the Core 100 strikes a balance between affordability and performance, making it a great choice for both home cinema enthusiasts and music lovers alike. During movie playback, it excelled in reproducing cinematic details and immersive soundscapes, though without the expansive surround sound you'd get from pricier setups. Music playback was equally impressive, offering deep bass and clear mids that brought out the best in tracks across various genres. In conclusion, the Klipsch Flexus Core 100 is a standout performer in its category, offering exceptional sound quality and build that's hard to beat at its price point. Whether you're upgrading your TV sound or building a compact home theater setup, this soundbar delivers where it counts. That wraps up our review of the Klipsch Flexus Core 100 soundbar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.